Good morning, everyone. This is Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College, JNTU, Hyderabad. So, this is regarding the subject renewable energy sources, and this is about the quick revision about the Unit 1. So, coming to the renewable energy, what is meant by renewable energy? Let's go with that. So, anything that can be renewed or reused as in the form of energy, we call them as renewable energy. So it can be a solar energy, wind energy, biomass, or petroleum. All the fossil fuels can be considered as a renewable energies. So okay, let me tell you the definition of an energy first. So when we talk about energy, it was the activity that is done maybe by the human or by the nature, right? Which causes the flow of energy in the form of other. Means one work can be transferred from one form to other. We call it as an energy. When the word energy itself, we people know that, right? Energy is derived from the Greek word ergon, which means inflow of work or work content. Okay, coming to the next one, when we speak about the energy, so every country is developing, every country is having its own ideas and deals with the energy and energy requirements. So this is about the global scenario when we are talking about the energy and its forms. So we are having different types of energies as you see here: primary and secondary, commercial and non-commercial, renewable and non-renewable, conventional and non-conventional. This is one of the diagrammatic representation of primary, where you can see coal, nuclear, natural gas and petroleum as a basis, and finally you will be using the electricity, which you will be using it in a power station as a output product of electricity. The basic idea is how electricity is produced from all this. So everything is going to have some process: primary process, preparation process and purification process to get the electricity. So coming to the first unit, we will be seeing different types of energies and what are they, and in second and third and fourth units you will be having different types and varieties of conversion techniques to get the electricity. The basic idea is this. First one is of primary and secondary energy sources. So let's talk about the primary energy source, which is present in nature. We call it as a primary, like coal, natural gas, biomass such as wood. So these are considered as a primary energy sources, which can take the thermal energy that is stored in earth interior. Means already existing in earth gravity, it's going to take the energy form and it can reuse it. We call it as a primary energy source, which can be converted into industrial utilities. So we call them as secondary. If a primary energy is taken and if it is a costlier effort, then we can use the utilities that can be used as a secondary energy sources. For example, if you are taking coal, oil or any gases, right, into steams and electricity, sources that doesn't have non-energy, for example coal and natural gas, can be used as a feedstock in fertilizer plants. Okay, that is one. Like primary and secondary, that is the difference. Commercial and non-commercial. When we speak about the commercial energy, the energy that are available in market, means already existing in a market for